Hey, it's Sam with WTI. I want to tell you all about these super cool spout mason jar covers. So I have it here on a regular mouth mason jar. That's what they fit on. Here's what it looks like when it comes out of the package. So it has a really convenient spout here. It screws right on. It closes and snaps tight, and it is leak proof. So let me show you again with this jar. Leak proof, it's not spilling anywhere. It's easy to turn on and off, as you can see. And I like to make my own laundry detergent, so this was perfect for me. It is in a glass container, which is what I was looking for, and it can easily pour in and out. So if you are looking for a mason jar top that you can use as a pourer, this is a wonderful pick in my book. I feel like you could also use this in for like water if you have guests and you're wanting to pour things out in the kitchen, anything like that. There's a lot of different ways you can use this. I think it's a great product, but that's just my point of view.